morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Monday, February 2nd. The euro declined 0.31% against the US dollar and closed out 1.1293, following downbeat inflation data in the Eurozone. The Eurozone CPI fell more than expected, 0.6% on a YoY basis in January, against market expectations for a drop of 0.50%. Losses were kept in check after the region unemployment rate recorded an unexpected drop to 11.4% in December, while expectations were for it to record an unchanged reading. In other economic news, German retail sales climbed 0.2% on a MOM basis in December, less than market expectations for an advance of 0.3%. In the US, the annualized GDP advanced 2.6% in the fourth quarter 2014, less than market expectations for a rise of 3.0%. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1271, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.1232. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1357, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1404. Trading trends on the euro today are expected to be determined by the Markit manufacturing PMI data in the Eurozone and its peripheries, scheduled in a few hours. Meanwhile, the US ISM manufacturing data, scheduled later today, would generate a lot of market attention. The British pound marginally declined 0.09% against the US dollar and closed out 1.5058. Consumer credit in the UK advanced less than expected to £0.58 billion in December. Market expectations were for it to climb £1.20 billion. Additionally, total lending to individuals increased by £2.2 billion on a MOM basis in December, growing at its lowest pace in more than a year and down from a rise of £3.3 billion in November. In other economic news, mortgage approvals in the UK climbed for the first time in 6 months to 60.2750k mortgages in December. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5013, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.4944. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5127, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5172. Trading trends in the pound today are expected to be determined by the UK Markit manufacturing PMI data, scheduled in a few hours. The US dollar weakened 0.73% against the Japanese yen and closed at 117.49. Early morning data indicated that Japan's Nomurial JMMA manufacturing PMI slightly advanced to 52.2 in January, thus indicating that the nation's manufacturing sector continued to expand at a steady pace. The pair is expected to find support at 117.09, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 116.40. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 118.30, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 118.83. The Australian dollar strengthened 0.14% against the US dollar to close at 0.7781. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7737, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7699. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7805, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7836. Going forward, investors await the RBA's crucial interest rate decision, scheduled for tomorrow. The gold price is traded higher by 1.92% against the US dollar at $1283.50 per ounce, rebounding strongly from its previous session losses, following dismal US fourth quarter GDP data, as the nation's economy rose less than anticipated, thus prompting investors to seek the safe haven appeal for the precious yellow metal. Separately, gold holdings in the SPDR Gold Trust expanded to 758.37 tons from its previous level of 752.72 tons. The pair is expected to find support at 1264.06, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1247.43. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1291.36, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1302.03. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market predictions, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX Trade Mate tab, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channel. Have a great trading day!